A man named Talent Rusere has filed a court application seeking to bar Nelson Chamisa from registering any political formation until a full audit of CCC finances is carried out. Rusere argues that Chamisa must account for all CCC resources because he exercised full control over the party through what he calls strategic ambiguity. Nzalabina mashikubda pangwana chinzi Chamisa direct to the court. Then subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipita pangwa ino mubda nyukomchinzi. In his application, Rusere also points to more than $122,000 US dollars that was reportedly raised through GoFundMe to buy a bulletproof vehicle for Chamisa. He says this money has not been properly accounted for. Chamisa recently announced his return to active politics after a 2-year sabbatical. When he stepped away from the Citizen Coalition for Change, he said the party had been hijacked and infiltrated beyond repair, describing it as a poisoned chalice. He is now returning to a political environment that is even more hostile to the opposition. But what may be even more damaging for Chamisa is that while his 2-year absence exposed the lack of leadership within the opposition, since no one was able to truly fill his shoes, it also allowed a dangerous narrative to take root. A considerable number of people who once believed in Chamisa have lost hope. Some are angry at him for what they describe as abandoning the struggle at a critical stage. Others have gone as far as calling him a ZANU-PF project, though no evidence has ever been presented to prove these claims. But while some do not believe he's a ZANU-PF project, they still see him as not strong enough to take on the most sophisticated liberation movements in Africa. Chamisa now faces a huge task of convincing those who are disappointed that the circulating narrative are not true, if indeed they are not. He cannot afford to shrug it off with a casual and "Kendenge, I don't care." Indifference is not an option. He must actively disprove his critics through transparency, decisive action, and results, while at the same time outmaneuvering a far more cunning and deeply entrenched adversary, the sophisticated military organization better known as ZANU-PF. Domash konomrataro pangwa ine na tafiti men. Pena comment section medu za fugura aimot kudipa mzuru pechitko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.